If you're feeling financially behind in your 30s and 40s, this one person business can help you catch up to wherever it is you feel like you should be, or wherever it is you feel like you would want to be at this particular point of your life. Okay. And the good thing about this one person business is that it is one of those that does not take up a bunch of your time, right? In your 30s and 40s, you're typically going to be approaching the peak of your career, maybe. I don't know, maybe not necessarily the peak, but you're starting to move on pretty up high in the ranks, and you're extremely busy. Maybe you're thinking about starting a family, or you already have one going, right? Which is taking up so much time. So this is one of those things that's going to be ideal that you can do on the side, and it can help you catch up, so to speak, to wherever it is that you personally feel in your individual life that you should be. Okay. Now, what is it? Without further ado, it's really simple. It is basically selling digital products online. Okay. This is something that if you're open to, right, if you're open to, just learning some new basic skills, right, it can actually make a big difference, right? It can actually move the needle for you, and it really could make a big difference, all right? Now, if you would like to get going right from the start, first link in the description below this video will give you access to some really fundamental and great foundational training that will help you to get started correctly from the start, setting yourself up for long-term success, okay? Remember, this is something, I'm sharing this with you as something that, as something that you can do despite how busy you might be, right? If you're going to be in your 30s and 40s, you're probably at a very, very, very busy point of your life, right? As opposed to, like, say, maybe people are further on down the line, retired, and they're just relaxing, right? They're done with the kids, all gone, right? Maybe the grandkids might come around every now and then, right? To make them a little happy and enjoy their company and all that type of stuff. But right now, 30s, 40s is that place where things are, life starts, life really starts happening, right? So, I'm sharing this with you with that in mind, okay? So, my assumption is that you already have a full plate, a lot going on, right? And this is just something that you can use to, that you can at least find some time or make some time, because it's that important, right? It's something that you can make some time to help make a difference in your life right now financially. Okay. Now, bear in mind, like, we're not selling pie in the sky here. This is not this is not like a like get rich quick type of thing, or the last thing I want you to think is that this is something that you're going to be able to do without putting in any effort, right? Anything worth doing, anything worth achieving is going to require some degree of effort, right? It's not rocket science, right? It's not rocket science, but at the same time, it's not something that you need, something that you're just going to take, that you want to take lying down, right? If you give it the attention that it deserves, it really can give you the results that you want, okay? And like I mentioned, that training that I have linked below in the first link in the description below this video is one of those that is really suitable for what we're talking about here, because it's broken down into little bite sizes in a way that you can consume the information gradually at your own pace, okay? At your own pace. Well, yeah, at your own pace, but it's going to be it's still not going to allow you to overwhelm yourself. Let me just put it that way, okay? And the whole idea is, you being in your 30s and 40s, you've got some experience, right? You've got some experience, whether it's with your career or with whatever things you've had to overcome or deal with in your life. And here's the kicker: you're not the only one that is dealing with those things, right? So you have knowledge, right, that can be packaged into a digital product that can help other people that are experiencing the same problems, the same issues, the same things that you have possibly already dealt with, okay? And they will be happy and willing to pay to get that information handed to them on a platter so that they don't necessarily have to go through the hard knocks of trying to figure it out themselves, okay? So you have that experience, you have that knowledge, you have, despite like everything that I'm saying right now might seem pretty vague or like might not make any sense, or you can't put together, you can't wrap your hands around whatever it is that I'm trying to explain. But if you take a look at that training, it will all start coming together, okay? And bear in mind, you don't have to, especially with, you don't have to create your own digital products, by the way, okay? And in case you're wondering what we're talking about here in terms of digital products, these can be all kinds of things, right? Generally speaking, the most, the most basic and most typical one we're looking at would be things like PDFs, right? Ebooks, like package your information into an ebook, okay? Like a, PDF, right? If you're a little bit more comfortable with the camera and stuff, you can even create your own course, okay, teaching how to do whatever thing it is that you're already knowledgeable about, right? It can, a course, digital products can range from all kinds of things. It can be software. Like one of the things that I like promoting a lot is, or software. Of course, I've not created any software of my own. So that leads me to this other point I was going to bring up. You don't necessarily have to create your own product, by the way, in order to make this work. You can sell digital products that have already been created by other people, right? So what you would do is you could sell those products as an affiliate, right? So you're basically promoting somebody else's business, okay, somebody else's product or somebody else's service, and in return, every time you help them generate, whether it's leads or a customer or sales, whatever the case may be, you in turn will be compensated by the form of a commission, okay? So you would be operating as an affiliate, and your only job in that scenario would be to go out there and bring customers to that business, okay, or to that product or to that service, whatever that is, okay? And those are the sort of things that you're going to learn in the training that I have linked below in this description, linked below in the description of this video. Those are the things that you're going to learn how to do, right? Digital marketing, essentially, which is basically promoting anything online. It could be physical, it could be, a brand, or digital, whatever the case may be. It's just digital marketing is just, promoting stuff using digital media, right? Online, essentially, in a nutshell, okay? But of course, our focus here is going to be on digital products, just because the margins are incredible there. You do the work once. If you decide that you want to create your own, right, you can do the work once and then sell the same thing over and over and over, since it's delivered digitally, right? But then, like I mentioned, if you don't want to create your own products, you can go out there and promote other people's products, right, as an affiliate. Or there are also products that you can purchase and resell, okay? These are products that have master resell rights, okay? So those are all different options, but you'll learn all about this, okay, in more detail, and how to go about setting everything up and putting it all together, right? Like all these details, all these questions, all these things that you might be wondering about, these are all things that will be covered, and you will learn, you will learn how to do effectively, okay? So having said that, if you do have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. Feel free to do that. I will be sure to answer. I have a tiny channel here, right? So I'm nowhere near reaching that point where I get overwhelmed with comments where I can't keep up with them, okay? So any question that you have, put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, okay? That's it. and I will catch you in my next video. Oh, by the way, if you're not subscribed and you are interested in this kind of stuff, make sure you go ahead and do that, and that way, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next one. Ciao.